hubcaps from a Vauxhall Senator. I've got a little bit of misfire. But look, he said I hadn't seen one of these for years. So much, but they're like brand new, they are. Hey everyone, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, if you're new here, my name is Darren, and this is Flatcap Motoring. So, the little car has been in the garage for quite a while now, actually, over a month, actually, to be honest with you. So, yeah, it's due to come out really and sort of have a run round. But seeing as the car show season is nearly upon us, we've only got about a month or so to wait now. Yeah, I think it's time for those pre-car season checks. So what I am going to do today actually is go and take it for an MOT, because the MOT is up at the end of May, obviously, which is right in the middle of the show season, and obviously if anything bad needs doing, it's probably best to do it now before the season kicks off, rather than scrambling, trying to do bits and then having to reorganise or even cancel some car shows that you're not going to attend. So yeah, just a little errand video really, this one. So yeah, I'm going to get the car out now. Like I said, it hasn't been started, so hopefully I'm not going to have to jump start it, which would be a right pain in the ass. Yeah, get her warmed up, obviously take it for a little drive, obviously to make sure she's nice and up to temperature, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So in here I have obviously the new wheels, obviously, which are covered at the moment, and I also found these hubcaps from a Vauxhall Senator. They're quite original condition, so I'm not sure whether I'm going to refurb them yet. I don't know, but like I said, it's some cool old school Vauxhall stuff to obviously collect anyway. You know, I'm a bit of a hoarder of things like this, so yeah, they were cool, so I picked those up. Not actually that expensive either, to be honest with you. So yeah, but yeah, so I am going to be taking the wheels with me, because I have a new set of tyres to go on there, at the place, MOT place, where I'm going to be going. So yeah, right, let's go and start her up. Just move my bin out the way. Yeah, it's my garage bin that I should really empty, to be honest with you. No matter. So yeah, so she has been stood for, like I said, about a month now. I always tend to leave the window open just in case. So bear with me. Right, so we've got a little bit of mould actually on the old steering wheel there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Right, crank over. Well, we've got dash lights, so that's a good sign. So let's see if she'll crank over. We've got a little bit of misfire. Curious. Like I said, whether it's just she's that cold or not, I don't know. But we'll, yeah, obviously we'll have to figure out what's going on there. Not sure. Right, well let's get her out of the garage anyway, and we'll just see if we can see anything obvious. Alright, so I've got the car out of the garage now. Now it seems to be running alright. Like I said, I think it's just been where it's been sat for, like I said, over a month and not been started and things like that. So yeah, but we'll keep an eye on it. Yeah, there was a bit of like I said, a bit of mould inside the car as well, which I've just cleaned off quickly. Yeah, had a quick look round, nothing really to report that's going to give me any concern. The only thing I am a little bit concerned about is I seem to have gained some condensation in the headlights at some point. But yeah, so I'm going to you know, like I said, I'm going to take it out just for a little runabout now, obviously just to get it up to temperature and obviously make sure we got no other problems. Don't think that we're going to have any other problems, and like I said, hopefully, obviously the headlights, because obviously these are glass as well, and obviously so these warm up pretty quickly. They're already quite warm in there, so yeah, hopefully, obviously if I obviously just try and dry them out a little bit, obviously we can they'll go through the MOT, and then I can investigate that at a later date. So yeah, so yeah, there we go. So like I said, it's pretty, she's pretty clean and presentable, I would say, for an MOT now. Like I said, I've got the new wheels in the boot, obviously ready for their tyres. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to have a quick spin round. I'm going to go and put a little bit of petrol in it, because I don't like leaving it. It's got about 1/3 of a tank in it at the moment, but I'd like to make sure that, it's topped up and everything else, and it will give me a chance to obviously go a little bit further and yeah, obviously get the car warmed up nicely. So yeah, let's crack on. So guys, a little sneak peek of what is to come. So obviously these are, believe it or not, the same 15-inch steel wheels that I picked up a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, and you wouldn't think it because they look so much, but they're like brand new. They are. So yeah, no, really pleased with those. And so whilst I'm on this, actually, I'd like to thank Luke down at Allan Automotive. They are a shop blasters and powder coaters just down in Weston-super-Mare. Yeah, really top quality work. They do all sorts of things from wheels to full bodies of cars to any automotive bits you can think of. I will put a link to his business in the description of the video. So yeah, obviously thanks Luke for obviously doing that for me. They look really good, mate, and they're going to look really good on the car. Obviously want to get the tyres on and everything. So yeah, they'll be coming with us to the MOT station. Right, so obviously I popped back to the house first because the wheels were still in the wrapping, and I need to obviously unwrap them and everything like that. So I've got about an hour now before I'm due to go down there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little car out for a spin, go nice and hot. Yeah, and I'm obviously gonna put some petrol in because it's running a little bit low, as I probably said earlier. Yeah, and we'll go from there. So we will catch up with you down at the MOT station. Alright, so I am down here at Elite Tyres and Auto Care, literally just about 5 minutes down the road from the house. So obviously Aurora's here. She's made it. Yeah, road test went well, so hopefully, fingers crossed, yeah, it should all be good. So they're going to do the tyres on the wheels first. He did say to me if I wanted me to put them on, he would do. So I'm not sure yet. I don't know if I'm going to put them on or not yet. I'm not sure, but I'll have a think about it, and I will see what comes of it. So the reason I chose this garage is it's a small local garage that always seems to be quite good. They've got really good reviews and they're RAC approved as well. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing yet, but we'll wait and see. So yeah, right, let's get on with it and let's get her MOT'd. Yeah, just had one of the mechanics come over and just have a look at it. He said, I hadn't seen one of these for years. So yeah. It's mad to think that a little humdrum car like this gets, all the so much appreciation. Is mad. So yeah, but yeah, she's in there now. So yeah, we will find the verdict very shortly. Well, I'm delighted to say that we have a pass, which is really good news. So yeah, and the chaps down here at Elite Tyre and Auto Care have actually offered to fit the new tyres on for free. So yeah, let's go see what she looks like. So we now have a clean bill of health. Only one advisory was a slightly corroded coil spring on the front, but we're going to be changing those anyway, so that is great news. So yeah, that's the only thing. So obviously one of the modifications will sort one of the advisories. So yeah, all good news really. It's great, isn't it? 27 years old, and that's the only advisory that was on it. It amazes me, this car. It still does. But yeah, it looks a lot better with the bigger steels on it. So yeah, there is more coming for the wheels, because I've got some more ideas on that one. But yeah, anyway guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, just give the video a like, and hit the subscribe button as well, because it all really helps. Yeah, lots more coming on the little car. Yeah, I can't wait to dive into it now. And we have a clean bill of health for show season, so all good stuff really. So guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is Darren, this is Flatcap Motoring, and we'll catch you next time. Ta-da! Hey guys, just one more thing before I go. Yeah, obviously if you are in this area of Bristol, check out Eli Tyres and Auto Care. They're a great bunch of lads. Really appreciate all the work that they've done, or helped me with today. And yeah, great bunch of guys. So yeah, really friendly and top work. So yeah, really recommend them. And also, some of you may be aware that I have now joined the TikTok trend. So I will put a link to my little profile somewhere around here. So yeah, obviously go and check that out as well, because the shorts don't tend to do as well at the moment on YouTube. So I've been sort of posting there and had a really good feedback from it, to be honest with you. So yeah, link to my TikTok as well will be in the description. Ta-da for now.